How to improve your video lights. Hello and welcome to Zulf Photography. Today I'm going to show you a series of clips where I've got something to improve my video lights. I used to get a lot of shadows from things around me and also harsh light. So what I've got for you today is going to be a softbox which is designed for your LED lights. I'm going to show you how it looks, how to attach it to your LED lighting system. I'm going to show you a setup of my old softbox versus my old DIY softbox versus this new softbox, and I'm going to show you the pricing on Amazon. I'm going to include links in the description, so if you need it you can pick it up. Let's get on with the video. To support this video, I've got a link in the description to my mailing list. Make sure to sign up to that and you'll get an instant email with help sheets, guides and frequently asked questions which will help you get through this journey. It's a collapsible softbox, and also it's worth mentioning you need to know what kind of lights you have before you get a softbox. This one has been provided to me to review. It's for my LED panels, and I use LED video panels which I'll link you to in the description so you can see what it's like. But this is basically a big softbox. It's nice and collapsible. Let me show you that there. So because it's collapsible, it means it can fit into your bag and it's portable. So the LED video lights I use, I'll link you to that, and I'll also link you to this softbox in the description. It's actually really handy because you can put your light behind it and it comes with these little straps that hold it in place, so they're nice and easy. I've been using a DIY softbox for a while. It's currently what is illuminating me, but if you want to have that professional feel and look in your videos, then this is something you need to look at. What I will do is I'll put it on the lights itself just to show you how easy it is to put on and the difference. It's a nice easy setup. You can see it collapses away and you can actually use it as portable one as well. My LED lights are big 600 LED lights and they're a Neewer brand. Again, if you need the lights as well, I'll put description links. Velcro around the back, it basically slots over the LED and you're good to go. So let me give you some context. This is the setup. I have one light off on my left and one behind me. I did have 3 lights, but I found 2 make it look a lot nicer. Let me give you a position so you can see this. That's how thick it is, and that's the stand behind me. And it's a nice easy setup here and gives you even light and some LEDs so it gets you going. So that's a quick look of the exact same setup with the softbox attached. So it should look a bit more better. You can be the judge of that. So it's basically distributing the light a lot more evenly, which allows me to adjust my exposure and make it even better for you. So that's a quick look at that box and how it performs. Harsh light makes your skin kind of look as if you're looking at the sun. So soft light will reduce the shadows and make your video look better. That's why you would want a softbox, and you want one that's kind of trendy looking. I like the color on this is black and red, and a lot of my gear seems to be that color. So we'll provide you with links to a few of these. They range in price. Let me show you what they look like. So here are LED panel lights, and there's different variations of this light. Okay, so the first one there is a LED light panel softbox, and that's £25.49. As you can see that one there. This one is similar to the one I've got. It's a larger size and it's collapsible and it fits on the light as so. You can see there. And that is a lot easier to manage how to keep it on the light. And those softboxes are priced between £40 and half price of that is £25. I have 2 of these at the moment that I'm going to be testing out. So if you're looking for softboxes and lights, make sure to subscribe so you can see the future notifications directly to you. And this light is part of my lighting series of videos, so I'll link you to a playlist about how to get the best from your lights.